welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can remove app icon text on iPhone running with iOS 18. So it will make it a little bit cleaner feel to the layout with no text on your icons. Now let's start by going to your home screen. Next, long press on the empty area on your home screen, and you'll be able to see the option Edit at the top left corner. Tap on the Edit button, and then select Customize option from the pop-up menu. Now it will reveal a pop-up window at the bottom where you'll be able to customize your home screen. Next, tap on the large option to make your icons bigger, in which it will also remove the app icon text or the label of the app. Once done, tap anywhere on the empty area of your screen to save it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.